Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are here tasting
this mango.
It is labeled as Janger.
We think it is. I'm going to send a message to Mango Manna Homestead and see if they think it might be something else. And so I'll title it properly.
It's got a name on it, but I can't quite make it out.
And I think Jahanger, we were reading, doesn't usually get color.
It's usually green, stays green. So whatever this mango is,
hopefully
we will find out, and you will have hit that with the thumbnail of this video, and so you'll know before we do.
It's definitely ripe.
Not much smell.
Or it looks like near the skin there's a layer that's light yellow, and then inside it's kind of dark.
Smells a little resinous near the skin. All right.
Let's see what you think.
It's very sweet. It's very melting. It definitely has some spiciness to it.
The texture's weird to me.
Really?
Got a bite from the end that was really good.
I'm having a hard time putting my finger on what the flavor is here. Yeah. It's good. It's almost kind of like a citrus candy kind of a.
Yeah. I mean, it has some like spicy notes to it and a little bit of pininess, but the balance feels off compared to like Elm Harbana
ice cream or something. Yeah.
Ice cream balance is kind of off too.
Think so?
A little bit. It's got all the good components. Just I think the resin is a little too high in this particular mango.
I'm not getting that much resin. I mean, there's some there. It's a little bit of the pininess. No chalkiness. It's just a little hard to describe.
Every piece tastes a little bit different.
Yeah, that's part of it too.
I think that end is the best. The end where it's lighter, this one I don't think is as good.
Almost doesn't taste like mango.
Oh yeah, that piece was really weird.
It's a kaleidoscope of flavors.
It just keeps changing the more you eat.
There's the end you like.
I don't know if it ripens unevenly.
It may be that
it's odd.
Yeah, every part of this is tasting a little bit different.
Because the pieces that are good are good, but then you'll get one that's just like, well, what was that I just put in my mouth?
Well, it kind of goes back to the if you've ever been to a all-you-can-eat Chinese buffet and you try some of the either cantaloupe or honeydew melon, it's just where'd they get this? This isn't honeydew melon. Like this is like 50% plastic or something. It's just got weird kind of. Some of this has got a little bit of those tones in it, but it also has a nice resin, a little piney, a little bit of spiciness.
That are good are good. So I'm just guessing at this one ripened unevenly,
maybe unevenly ripened, or it looks a little bit because you can see like around here we got some bright white yellow, and then around the seed we got a lot of very much softer. So around here, this is very light colored still. And the light colored, you said that was, let me see if I can just cut you off a piece of just the light colored.
That's good.
Okay. Yep. So this may be then a little overripe then. That would be my guess, is that the inner part has gotten overripe and...
Maybe, or I don't know if that's a calcium thing where the inside ripens. Because the inside's not supposed to ripen first, I don't think, with mangoes. I think sometimes.
Yeah. So the really light colored parts
is good.
Is very good. This to me is I think overripe or
broken down.
broke down sometime.
So this is an excellent mango.
Yeah, that's a really good mango.
One.
This one has got, it's just, there's not much good on this particular one. But yeah, those really light colored parts were
excellent.
Very good.
Sweet.
Reminded me a little bit like of an Allen Park Venetian kind of. Whereas this tastes like Alipar Venetian crossed with a Cogsall. Overripe Cogsall.
No. It might have the texture, but not the flavor. Just kind of more bland and melony.
So anyway, that's probably a good one. That was probably not a good representation then. I forgot what it was. Oh, well, we don't really know what it was. It might be that J one. It might not be. So.
Yeah.
Anyway,
we
can't give you really any.
Too.
Yeah, I think it was a little overripe. I think I should have eaten that one yesterday or even the day before.
Yep.
Because, like I said, those less ripe parts near the skin, that was really good.
Yeah.
All right, so apologies for not really knowing what we just tasted, but hopefully by the time we publish this one, we'll have a little more information. So.
We'll see.
All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Tried to sell the mango there. If I do not sell it, then take it back and try again.